The ongoing move to create an additional state in the Southeast geopolitical zone seems to be facing a fresh threat. Recently, members of the zone from the two chambers of the National Assembly moved motion for the creation of additional states. The reasons they advanced is to move the zone from 5 to 6 states. The recent of the call was of the House of Representative member from Imo State, Ikenga Ugochinyere, introducing a bill to create Olu State, while Senator Ned Nwoko and others canvassed that Igbo-speaking area in Delta State should be made the 6th state in the Southeast, a notion that James Ugwu, leader of Adada State creation, kicked against. Mr. Ugwu submit that the creation of Adada State was first consummated in 1983 and was unanimously endorsed at Igbo Assembly in 1998.
Southern Igbos are called Ndiagbenu, while the Northern Igbos are called Wawa. Now, presently, you have 2 states in Wawa, in the northern Igbos.
He explained that the Southeast was divided into 2 subdivisions of North and South.
I do not think that 6th state should also go back to the Southern Igbos. Because if that happens, they will become 4 states. And the Northern Igbos will remain 2 states.
The chairman of Adada State creation is appealing to Igbo leaders and political office holders in the Southeast to support the call for Adada State creation in the interest of unity, fairness, and justice.
And that's why I'm calling on both Mr. President, the Senate President and Senators, House of Representatives, and the Speaker, and my brothers and sisters in the Southern Igbo. They should see risks.
You all have heard what that man said. That man is the chairman of Adada State creation. His name is James Ugwu. He said that the Northern Igbos, which are Enugu and Ebonyi states, are called Ndewawa, while the Southern Igbos, which are Anambra, Abia, and Imo, are called Ndiagbenu. He said that they have 2 states in Wawa region, and that he thinks that the creation of a new state should not come from the Southern Igbo region, because if it happens, then the Igbos in the Southern region will have 4 states, and Northern Igbos will have only 2 states. Are Northern Igbos and Southern Igbos enemies? No. Are we dragging anything? No. Are we quarreling? No. Are we fighting? No. So, what is this man talking about? This is how politicians use division to actualize their selfish interest. The way they talk now, person go dey feel say Northern Igbos and Southern Igbos get issue. I don't understand which marginalization is he talking about. He is saying that Wawa people, the Northern Igbos, are being marginalized. Who is marginalizing them? So because the Igbos that they call Ndiagbenu have 3 states, Anambra, Imo, and Abia. They that are called Ndewawa have 2 states, which are Enugu and Ebonyi. So if we can't get Anioma state add for Igbo land, it's now injustice to them. Imagine saying that Ndewawa have 2 states and Ndiagbenu have 3 states. It's not making people to feel that Enugu and Ebonyi states are not part of Igbo land. It's not making them to feel that there is a war between Ndewawa and Ndiagbenu. What kind of argument is that? Are Enugu people complaining of any marginalization from Ndiagbenu? No. Are Ebonyi people complaining? No. I saw some people that want Adada state. They are saying that, we Adada people, we are being marginalized. This, that, Southeast should support Adada state. Hey, whoa. This set of people are the problem of Igbo nation. Their pockets, their selfish interests. This one they agitate for Adada state to come so that he go be the governor of Adada State, so that he go be the senator of Adada State, so that he go be the representative for Adada State. Blind arguments. And some people for that Adada area go to say, the man is right. Ndị Agwenu are marginalizing us. People that don't know that Igbo nation have been divided for so long. Igbos are indigenous in 13 Nigeria states. Now, Anioma people that are very big in number, that have a bigger landmass than Adada states, want to get Anioma state and zone it to southeast to increase the population of the southeast, to increase the landmass of the southeast, to increase the political strength of the southeast. This chairman here of Adada State Agitation is saying that what they want is Adada State, that Adada people are being marginalized, that if Anioma State join southeast, that Southern Igbos will now have 4 states, while the Northern Igbos called Ndewawa will have just 2 states. Just imagine, did it make sense in your ear? No. What did this man they talk sef? You want to get Adada State that is just 2,141 square kilometers and abandon Anioma State that is 6,400 square kilometers. You want to abandon Anioma State in the south instead of bringing Anioma State and joining it to the southeast. It's very bad for these politicians. Politicians that are trying to divide Igbo nation. Politicians that want to shrink Igbo nation. Igbo land is called a dot nation. Instead of trying to bring the Igbos outside the southeast to join the southeast, what you want is you want to create a state from the already 5 southeast states. You want cut Enugu into to make you take one part, take from your own states. Ndị Agwenu stand together. Ndị Wawa stand together. They are now enemies now. Northern Igbos and Southern Igbos, they are now enemies. When they say Ndị Igbo are the problem of Igbo nation, this is what they are talking about. Politicians are the major problem of Igbo nation. Ndị Igbo don't know how to play politics. If to say Anioma State na Fulani state and the southeast na Fulani dominated region, you go see say the entire southeast will be Fulani, go they support Anioma State. You don't go see any Fulani person come and talk say they want to create another state within the Fulani state where they already get. They go want collect their brothers where they another place to increase their land mass, population and political strength. But when it comes to Igbo man's own, you will see the evil fashioned against Igbo nation coming out online to say that Adada people are being marginalized, that we should leave Anioma State and choose Adada State first. Adada is important to Igbo land, but it's just small compared to Anioma State. Waiting they worry this set of politicians. Oh, Yagame. What is wrong with this set of politicians? 95% of Southeasterners want Anioma State. But instead of these politicians to give up, know that this is Igbo agenda. Instead of them to know that Anioma State is for Igbo nation. Anioma State is what Igbo nation have been clamoring for so many years. Anioma State agitation started since 1950. Adada just started in 1983. Anioma State have so many advantages over Adada State. Adada State is not reach Anioma State for any angle of life. No part of life where Adada State reach Anioma State. People who don't know economics, they don't know the scale of preference. They don't know that if you need 2 things, now the one where they so important, now you go first choose. Every Igbo person will get sense want Anioma State. People that are agitating for Etiti State, they think because of Anioma State, calm down. They say Etiti State have no advantage for Igbo nation. They say Olu State have no advantage for Igbo nation. Nobody will not selfish, but if you say this thing are for Igbo nation, make we keep our selfishness aside. Let's achieve this thing. No. Do you know what it means for someone to dedicate his time supporting Igbo unification, speaking up for Igbo unity? They travel, they waka, they do everything to get Anioma State. Our brothers from South is full comment section. They support us financially. They support us by sharing our posts. They do everything. Everybody wants Anioma State. Only una say no, say na Adada state una want. Look at the argument that an elderly man like this is presenting. No fact, no evidence, nothing, just forming lies, trying to cause disunity in Igbo land. Let's get Anioma state first. If the country won't give every other region 7 states, then we cannot be agitating for another state to be added to the southeast. Then we go use boundary adjustments. They bring back the Igbos in Kogi, in Benue, in Akwa Ibom, in Bayelsa. That is what we are expected to be doing. If we get our Igbo brothers where they other states for Nigeria back to the southeast, if Nigeria does say they want give every region 20 states, then you cannot be creating states from the already southeast states that we have. That is how things are supposed to be done. But maka selfishness, Evangelist Ebukobi said it in his program that the problem of Igbo nation is selfish politicians. All these politicians will get long throats, they are the problem of Igbo nation. He said that he's calling on Tinubu senators, representatives, speakers, and Southern Igbos to see reasons and allow Adada state to become the new state for the southeast. So, may they create a Anioma state, carry and keep for south. Make south can get 7 states. Then south and northwest go can get 7 states. While southeast go can get 6 states. That is still marginalization. Because south go can they receive allocation for 7 states. And southeast go they receive allocation for 6 states. South go they big, southeast go they small. If Anioma state dey south is expanding, southeast still be dots in a circle. An agitation that Chief Dennis Osadebe and other prominent people from Anioma have been agitating since 1950. You want carry Adada state where be a very small state, 2,141 square kilometers, to sabotage 6,400 square kilometers. Una not good. You people are very bad and wicked. Wetin the first people be say, e not get any tangible reason. Are you not telling us that those Igbo people that left Etiti state, Olu state, Aba state for Anioma state, they not get sense, abi? Now wetin I want tell us? I want tell us say they not get sense. We go talk say we don't want Fulani herdsmen for Igbo land. Fulani people carry your cow and go. Now this set of Igbo people go talk say keep your cow. We love to eat cow. We want state police. Now this set of Igbo people go talk say we don't need state police. Sabotage. Mr. James Ugwu and other politicians that are agitating for Adada states. Adada states will never work for now. What we want is Anioma states. Mr. James Ugwu, tell those your politicians that all of you are agitating for Adada state to go home, relax, and think about the benefits of Anioma state to Igbo nation. Compare Anioma state with Adada states and tell me which of them does Igbo nation needs the most. Compare the landmass, compare the resources, compare the year when both of them started the agitation to have Anioma state and Adada state. Just compare Anioma state with Adada state and tell yourself the truth. Ask yourself after comparing them, which one did Igbo nation needs the most? Those that have sense, let them hear. Those set of Igbo people that are fighting Igbo agenda should stop it and lay good foundation for the upcoming generations of Igbo nation to always focus on Igbo agenda with one mind. What Igbo nation wants is Anioma state and not Adada state. Other tribes from the south that don't want Anioma state to join southeast, that are feeling pained that Anioma people want to unite with their southeast brothers, they are busy backing online saying, Anioma people should remain in south. They are south people, they are not Igbo people. Those set of Benin people that want Anioma state to remain in south, they are still online backing. Anioma people should remain in the south. They are not Igbo people. Anioma land is Benin territory. Those senseless people are fighting Anioma state creation and the southeast zoning. You politicians that are trying to get Adada state are still fighting Anioma state by proposing Adada state over Anioma state. It's very bad. It shows that you have the same mentality with those people that are fighting Anioma state and the southeast zoning. What the Southeast needs right now is Anioma State. Selfish politicians from Igbo land, stop fighting Igbo agenda. Anioma State is for Igbo nation to unite. Igbo bofu, Isheware.